There is a behaviorist that you can read about. His name is John Watson, and he said this. He said in 1930, back in those days, you never knew there was a coach. So he said, that's what he said, 1930. And it's totally proved, right? Extraordinary behaviorists are able to modify the behavior of somebody regardless of everything. If you look at it, I am proof, you and I are proof in many ways, right? Where our life was going, given many things, it wasn't headed in the direction where we are right now. And we have been modifying our behavior through coaching. Now, it is really that powerful. You can have a child that is, brought up in a particular way, and he was going in this particular direction, and all that is around him will modify that child in such a way they'll end up in another direction completely. So that is the power of our quote-unquote business, our occupation. But that's also the danger and the responsibility, like Aina was saying. Because we can take somebody super challenged, not talented, not masterful, not experienced, not confident, with tons of barriers, and we can have them be amazing and successful and thrive and do unbelievable. But we also can take somebody that is doing great and doubt themselves and take themselves in all kinds of directions and not do as amazing as they deserve. And it does happen, and it has happened. And a little bit of coaching, a little bit of consulting, a little bit of mentoring, advising in the wrong direction can happen that way, and it does happen, unfortunately, right? So that's a big responsibility and a big advantage. We literally are alchemists of behavior.